She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper.
Hey y'all, so I'm finally at the airport. I'm at the airport. I still don't know where I'm going at, so y'all about to find out right along with me. But right now I'm about to put on another mask underneath this mask because, as you know, the airplane has no like circulation. The same air circulates the whole time while you're on the plane. So just to be extra cautious, I'm gonna put on two masks. Y'all, I'm so excited. I don't know where I'm going. All I know is I packed for somewhere warm, and I'm pretty sure I'm not going nowhere cold. So yeah, let me put on my other mask. Woo. Yo, so I'm putting on this mask first. I'm gonna put on this mask too. I don't know if y'all flown during the pandemic. I'm gonna come back once I get to the terminal. Oh my god, y'all, my forehead is breaking out a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna come back when I'm at the terminal. No, not the terminal. I'm gonna come back when I'm at the check-in, when I figure out where I'm going. Southwest Airline. Flying Southwest. So, what you looking for? Wow, I guess I'll be back. You want to tell me where we going at now? So, I found out my destination. We are going to Aruba. Yes.
Wearing their masks over their nose and their mouth can result at the same time throughout all sections of the flight. Only exception to not wearing a mask if you're actively using a ticket, and it's not the case. Please continue wearing your mask throughout today's flight on our way to Aruba. Good morning, welcome aboard Southwest Airlines services to Aruba.
I'm in Aruba. Even though I thought I was going to CANCUN, but yeah. Okay, y'all about to get a room tour. First things first, when you come in the room, you need this card to turn on the light. Like, you know, that's futuristic. And right here you got the nice little entryway, the bench. Ooh, I'm about to break it. Okay, and we got some Basquiat or whatever, or whoever, expensive people. If you come right over here, we have the mini fridge. It's stocked with water, Coca-Cola, Sprite. Is that beer? Club soda. No, I don't want that. Whatever. They got the water. Ooh, freaking the place up. Right here is the living room area. Real cute, real cozy. You see, we already put our stuff down. Right here we have a closet. Comes with an arm and whatever. Yo, this is one of my favorite parts of the room. Hold on. Hold up. We got us a balcony. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know what the bar right there for, but we got a wall on the wall. Look at this amazing view. Look at this. Look at this. Yo, that is what you call clean water. This is a vacation. It's big Virgo season. We got 2 little chairs right here. Yo, hold up. Hold up. This the real big boss stuff. Al Pacino. Hold on. Look at this. Look at this. We got the jacuzzi outside. Don't put the camera here because it's dirty. That's real dirty. I don't think I'm gonna use that, but it's real baller. Real baller. Real baller. Then we got the stairs to go up to the bed. I guess I'm gonna say this is where the man gonna go down. This is like a king size bed. Yes. This is where we gonna get it on and popping. We got us a nice, what's this? 32-inch, 42-inch TV. We got us a jacuzzi tub right here. The jacuzzi tub, it comes with 2 robes. Yo, get this. From the jacuzzi, you can see the shower. And from the shower, you can see the jacuzzi. What? Period. Yo, here go the bedroom. And we got 2 toilets. One for your butt and one for your regular. 2 toilets. Look at the shower, y'all. You gotta step up to get in. We got the overhead shower. It's the worst kind of shower to get when you gotta leave out. So, yeah, I don't know about all that. And we got the his and her sinks. There you gonna be in my video. We got the his and her sinks right here. And yeah, yo, that completes the freaking room tour. We about to go get something to eat because I'm hungry. That flight was long. It was 6 hours and I had nothing to eat but some brownie, what they call it?
Brownie bites.
Brownie bites. So we about to go get drunk. This is an all-inclusive resort, so we about to get all you can drink, and we in Aruba, so that tequila about to hit different. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I'm a vlog, maybe eating breakfast and whatever else we do. Now catch you in the next video. Bye.